Can you hear that? Some people can't hear it, but a lot of vents, return vents and HVAC vents, will make kind of a resonating, almost whistle sound, and it's quite loud, and it's very annoying. To me it is. So I'm going to show you an easy way to fix it, and you're actually going to be replacing the grill. I tried all kinds of different things, putting all kinds of dampeners and sealants on the opposite side so it wouldn't look ugly, but I found something that works. So here is the new vent. It fits right in. I'll put a link in the description below. They have a bunch of different sizes. But what makes this so different is the design has two main components that are different. One, it has that grid pattern, and that isolates any vibration. But two, it's also made out of aluminum, and steel resonates a lot easier and a lot more than aluminum does. So with those two factors in place, you're going to get a much better sound, as you can hear. And I'll place a side-by-side comparison back and forth so you can hear the difference, but it's a lot quieter. Now this one is made by HVAC Premium, and like I said, I'll put a link in the description below. This is not a sponsored video. This is just me showing you a nice replacement that gets rid of the sound. It's a subtle difference, but it certainly adds to the peace and calm in a home. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, a thumbs up. Really helps this channel out. And if you want more videos like this, money saving tips, DIY, all that stuff, go ahead and click subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.